Hi everyone, I am Abby and I'm the own brand manager here at Space & K, and then we have the lovely Charlotte with us as well.
Hi everyone.
And today we're going to be speaking through what is in our travel bags. So Charlotte, tell me what you've got in yours.
Oh my gosh, I'm really excited. I've got our lovely Riviera Green medium travel bag today, and I've got it packed full of lots of my favourite products. So just dive in really. This is such a lovely size. This is our medium size, obviously, as you know, and it's just a really versatile size for fitting in your handbag, but you can really fit lots in and have it on the go. So first product that I have in here is the Space & K Paris Tides hand creme. This is a real staple for me for ensuring your hands stay moisturised throughout the day. And I don't know if you want to talk a bit about the scent, because this is one of our newest.
Yeah, so the scent is inspired kind of by the Greek islands, hence the name Paris Tides. It's got lovely sea salt in there and kind of fig and elderflower and amber, so it's really kind of warm, but has that kind of fresh water smell as well, so it's absolutely stunning. I actually have in my one the Parisian Gardens hand cream. Obviously we both can't live without our own brand hand creams. I fit so much in this mini. This is the Parisian Garden scent, so this is the rose, pear and vetiver flavour. Yeah, so this is my favourite flavour. It's absolutely beautiful, perfect for gifting as well, kind of for like everyday use, and it's actually so cheap as well. It's only £5, so really perfect way to kind of build out your travel bag. If you're building a travel bag for a gift, it's like a really good option as well. So that's my staple.
Amazing. Such a great grab and go. Let's see, what do I want to dive into next? This is a new launch from Lisa Eldridge. It is the Velatura Balm, and this is a 2-in-1, which I love. So it's a dewy lip and cheek. This shade that I have is Cinnamon Bun, which is a really lovely sort of burnt cinnamon shade. I love it for my lips, but it's also really great, and I love having it in my travel bag because it's really great for adding natural warmth and bronze.
Nice touching up on the go as well.
Touch up after work.
Yeah.
Sort of, it gives you that glow, gives you the bronze. It's a really, I know you love it as well. It's a super hydrating formula, isn't it?
Yes, it's so nice.
New staple for me.
Love that.
What do you have next, Abby?
In terms of kind of on the go, obviously I've got literally so much in here. I don't know if you could see it. It's kind of exploding the seams.
I actually can't believe how much you've packed in.
I know, I can literally get so much in here. So I've got basically a full mini makeup routine, because I have this, I take this everywhere with me every day, and these are my essentials. If I ever want to top up my makeup on the go, I have everything I need in here basically. So this is my new favourite, is the Milk Concealer. The actual format of the product I think is really good for on the go. And it's just kind of quick dab in and go. So I absolutely love this, and it's so compact that it fits in here perfectly. So
well, it's actually a fan favourite of mine as well.
There we go.
Absolutely love it. It's one of their newest launches, isn't it? Part of the Hydro Grip range, and I think it's so good for just touching up on the go, spot concealing, and also I think it lasts really well because it's got that like gripping. Finish is beautiful. Really nice coverage.
Yeah.
Amazing. Oh, I've just seen a product in here that I know you also love. Victoria Beckham Beauty eyeliner.
I love.
This is, become the new firm favourite for me, and I know you love it as well. This is Cocoa, I believe, which is the best-selling brown shade.
I really love the cinnamon one as well. It's like it's got like a little shimmer in it as well. Is that what you've got on now?
This is my daily essential. I love it for a sort of a soft brown winged eye. It's got a really lovely sponge tip applicator on the end, which is really nice for sort of if you want to take it from day to night, doing that smoky eye. It's so creamy.
Just glides on, doesn't it? It's absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, great for touch-ups.
Yes.
From day to night. Amazing.
I've got in here lots of kind of travel formats, but this is the Westman mascara, which I absolutely love as well. It's absolutely beautiful, but it's perfect size for on the go as well. Just absolutely love everything Westman. The packaging is absolutely stunning. The formula is great. It gives you that real like lift and lash extension. So recommend if you haven't tried.
I actually need to try that one. Yeah, it's amazing. Cool. Should I maybe stick to the Westman theme since you just mentioned it? This is a newer product to me. It is the Powder Baby Cheeks Duo. in the shades, Fizz and Jam. Really gorgeous duo with 2 different tones. I actually love topping up my blush throughout the day with our Space NK 203 powder brush. And what I really love about this is obviously it's nice for sort of a range of skin tones because you've got that deeper colour in there. But also on my complexion, I love using sort of the deeper shade with a lighter brush on more the like outer perimeters.
Contouring.
And then like a little pop with the brighter shade. Really good for picking up, like little pick me up, brightening up after work.
And they're really well pigmented. I have this as well at home. Yeah, and I absolutely love it. I feel like I feel like that would last you forever as well.
Yeah, it's such a gorgeous little on-the-go blush palette.
On the Westman theme as well, obviously I love this brand. So I've got another kind of compact mini format of their lit up highlight stick. I absolutely love this shade, and every product that I have in here is really considered about what I can use on the go. It's kind of on the go travel bag. So let me just show you how beautiful that is.
Oh, that is absolutely beautiful.
It's super natural, super lightweight as well. So absolutely love this one. And you've got it as well.
Twins, I have it as well. It's really gorgeous for just like topping up and giving you that lovely glow. And I feel like that is the perfect size for our mini travel bag as well.
Yeah,
just like
she fits
so
perfectly.
compact. But I can't live without curling my eyelashes. Always have our Space NK eyelash curler on me. It's really compact as well. I think it would definitely fit in the size as well. But yeah, this is really great. Like it gives a lot of lift and curl that lasts all day.
Yes.
And then also have to have our Space NK compact mirror as well.
This is my favourite of our accessories. Yeah, it's so good. It's got such a heavy weight as well, hasn't it? It really feels premium.
Yeah,
love it.
Really weighted, and it's really nice because it's got a sort of a normal standard mirror and then like a 2x magnifying mirror as well. So very good for touch
Perfect for curling your eyelashes as well.
100%. Yeah, and for touch-ups on the go.
So my next favourite in here, and this actually takes up quite a lot of space in the mini, but this travel format still fits in there, but it's a really good product on the go. Again, this is the Kapari Sun Glaze Sheer Setting Mist, and it's actually got SPF in it. So as we're kind of heading into spring, made sure that this is an essential in my on-the-go bag to kind of top up throughout the day, keep my makeup in place.
Amazing.
It's just got a really like natural, I don't know if you can see that, the shimmer and the glow in there. It's absolutely beautiful finish, and just kind of a staple as we go into spring for my bag.
That's giving you such a gorgeous glow.
Thank you.
Protected and glowing on the go.
What more could you need? I've spotted something really bougie in yours, Charlotte.
Oh,
you know what I'm talking about.
Yeah. This is definitely a bougie product that I have fallen in love with, so can't not include in my everyday travel bag. This is the La Mer Lip Volumizer, which is such a gorgeous product.
Yeah, the shade is gorgeous as well, very universal.
So gorgeous. I would say this is like a hybrid balm gloss. It's super nourishing, it plumps your fine lines, and it's got what I personally really love, like a menthol scent to it.
Yeah.
Super refreshing, it's really nourishing.
Yeah.
Just love it for adding some nourishing hydration and shine throughout the day.
I mean, it looks amazing. Obviously, a lot of things in mine are kind of travel formats, but they fit so well as a collection in my bag. But I have 2 kind of ambient lighting products from Hourglass. So I've got the blush and the bronzer, and this one is in shade Luminous, that's the bronzer, and then Luminous Flush in the blush. So actually having both a bronzer and a blush that fit really well in this mini, actually being able to have 2 kind of small bronzer and blush within this bag, I think is great because I can have both on the go without having a massive palette within the bag. So really just kind of minimising and making sure that I can get it all into my mini and keep it on the go basically. But they're absolutely gorgeous, both of the shades.
Oh, next I may talk about a fragrance that I have got with me. This is the Dead Cool Extra Milk, which is a really lovely fragrance house. All of their fragrances are designed to be genderless, and Extra Milk is, I think, it's a newer release from them, and the reason why I love it is it's super fresh and musky. It's amazing for layering.
Yeah.
I love, like, I'm definitely someone that mixes.
Yeah, it's amazing for layering actually. Yeah. That's a really good point.
Multiple. Should we do a little spray now? What do you think?
Gorgeous.
So nice, and it's super light for layering.
Yeah, very fresh. I think it's good for spring as well. Yeah. Kind of that like fresh vibe. And this is a well-loved item for me. I'm a little bit embarrassed to share because it's definitely seen a few kind of on-the-go makeup moves, but this is the Refire Beauty Blender, and what I absolutely love about this is kind of the pointed tip to help me with the application of all of the products in here. And I like that it's got different surfaces, so actually you can see that I use the base for my blush, but again it's just kind of that on the go, making sure that I just have one applicator that can fit in here and make sure that my makeup looks beautiful on the go still.
Amazing.
So yeah, hide that one away now.
So the next thing that I have in here is the Ultraviolet SPF 50.
Gorgeous.
And this is a really nice new smaller format that they've just come out with. So this is a 20 ml. It's such a
I love the shape of it, and actually that would fit perfectly in here as well.
It would.
Because it's so flat, and I always struggle to get kind of a good SPF into here. So I think I'm going to add that to my travel bag roster for sure.
I think this makes it super convenient for travel on the go. There's like no excuse not to pack it, even in your pocket.
You need SPF every day.
You do. This is a really nice one. It's a mineral sun cream, so really great for sensitive skin, which is what I have. And yeah, I love it for on the go if I'm sort of doing my makeup from fresh. But a little trick that I actually really love is if it's really sunny, if you're sitting outside, is actually just applying some on the back of your hands, because they are often forgotten about. But
yes, mine definitely.
Really good to keep protected. So I love that this is like a 2-in-1 multi-use.
I love that tip.
For me.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I love to try and do a 2-in-1. And actually I think on that, I might just quickly talk about another 2-in-1 product for me.
Ooh. I haven't actually tried this.
Have you not?
No. But I've heard only good things.
So this is, a really lovely new brand that we launched, I think, was it last year?
Yeah, back end of last year, I'm sure.
So this is Comfy, and this is their staining lip oil. So again, another dual function product for me. I love maximising my space in my medium travel bag, having lots of 2-in-1 purpose products. So this is a staining lip oil, so it's a super nourishing.
And that staining as well is so good for when you just got a really busy day and you don't have time to keep reapplying throughout the work day, going for drinks after work, meeting friends, and like actually having that lip stain and it leaving that tint on your lip kind of is a bit more long lasting. You always look so well put together, Charlotte, so maybe this is your secret.
Thank you. Yeah.
I might have to get that myself.
I'm gonna get you one. You're gonna have to try it. I'm sure you've got more jam packed in there.
I've got this, which is my absolute hero product. I think I've spotted it in yours as well. Literally everyone in the Space & K office loves this. So this is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush pressed powder. And as you can see, mine is already kind of hitting the pan, but I absolutely love this product. It completely makes you look flawless, kind of really gets rid of those under eye creases, and it gives you actually that airbrush look. So I absolutely love this. This is probably my favorite product in my bag.
And I think I've seen, do we have another product the same in there? Is that a sort of your...
Oh yeah, the Ilia lip liner.
I think we have the same shade as well.
It is the same shade. So this is Untitled, and it's the Lip Sketch Hydrating Crayon. Absolutely love this. It's a very neutral, gorgeous kind of pinky colour. I think it just suits very all complexions, but I absolutely love it. It glides on really easily, and again, really good for kind of quick top up. It really blends out, so it's easy for on the go, which is why it's in my bag.
I really love it as well, because obviously it's kind of like a dual function again. It can be your lip liner but also your lipstick, so I love that. They're super creamy,
very
long lasting, and this is a lovely shade, so
it's gorgeous. And then to pair with this, I have I think the last product that is fit in here is my Ole Henriksen Pout Preserve Peptide Lip Treatment, and this is in the Creme Brulee Glimmer shade. I absolutely love this. It's super hydrating, kind of gives you that glowy finish, and kind of actually treats the lips at the same time. So 10 out of 10 recommend this as well.
Got another favourite product in here. This is the Hourglass Unlocked Mascara. This is in the Espresso Brown shade, which is really lovely.
I love a brown mascara. I just feel like it looks a little bit more natural and really makes your eyes pop as well. I absolutely love. Yeah, it's such a gorgeous colour. It comes in black as well. And what's really unique and what I really love about this mascara is the tubing mascara. So it's when you take your makeup off, it just kind of comes off so seamlessly. It's so easy. I absolutely love that as well.
100%. Yeah, it just makes removing at the end of the day super quick and easy. I feel like I can get really great length and volume with this.
Yes,
So it's super
such
nice
good length.
top up
Yeah,
the day.
and it doesn't go clumpy at all. It's
No.
like, it's one of my favourite mascaras as well. Yeah.
Real staple. It's kind of, I'll talk about two things together. So really great to just have a pair of our Space NK tweezers with me on the go in my travel bag, in case there's, you have any stray hairs, you need to fix your eyebrows when you're out and about. And then to make sure they're all secure and in place, I absolutely love the Rare Beauty clear brow gel.
I love that as well. And I love the tweezers too. I feel like they can get the tiniest of hairs. They're really, really good at kind of getting the detailed hairs as well.
Yeah.
And then the brow gel is amazing. It's so good at kind of lifting your brows.
Yeah.
But also doesn't leave that kind of white cast that you do see with a lot of brow gels. So this is, again, a staple for me too. That just reminded me, I do have one other tiny little product which I've forgotten about because it's so teeny, but this is my Rare Mini blush, which is perfect for on the go. And actually, if anyone is a Rare fan, these last forever. They're so pigmented that actually this would last you for so long and it would fit perfectly in your mini bag. So not taking up any space at all.
Such a beautiful dewy formula, and yeah, they're so pigmented, aren't they?
Yes, yeah. You just need a little bit, goes a long way, for sure.
The mini size is actually perfect.
Yeah. So I've got mine in the Space NK mini travel bag in the lovely blue shade.
And I have the medium travel bag in Riviera Green. What is in your travel bag? We can't wait to find out. Please do post and share. And don't forget to follow and subscribe to the Space NK YouTube channel.
Thank you guys.